All right, welcome. Nice to see you again. Okay, and um, on this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can uh, make money with your computer uh, right from your home. All right, working online. Okay, and all you need to do is make sure that your computer is connected to the internet and you are good to go. All right, so I'm going to be listing out about a few ways that you can engage to make money with your computer. All right, and all you need is basic computer knowledge, not much. All right, so right now join me as I show you my screen and I show you how you can literally make money using your computer from home. Please, if you're new to this channel, do please subscribe right now. Okay, please subscribe at this moment and hit the notification button, hit the like button, and leave a comment on this video. Let's make it an interactive one. Thank you. As we go right now to my screen. All right, welcome to my computer screen. All right, this is my computer screen, and we're looking at some basic ways that you can make money online using your computer. All right, some basic ways that you can make money online using your computer from home. All right, how to make money online with your computer. Now, our first place, our first port of call is Fiverr. All right, Fiverr is a freelance digital marketing platform, okay, that anybody can go sign up and begin to and sell gigs. All right, gigs is the name for services that are sold on Fiverr. All right, now Fiverr is free to sign up, and you don't need to pay any money. All you just need to do is sign up and create your gigs and begin to sell them and have people buy from you, and you make money. All right, and there are several services that you can render, that you can sell on Fiverr. All right, beginning from digital services to non-digital services. Okay, let's go then and look at some of the services that you can sell on Fiverr. All right, you can sell graphic design. All right, if you're good in graphic design, you can come here and create a gig and have people contact you, and you create whatever thing they want you to do for them, and you send it over to them, and if they are satisfied with it, they pay you. All right, so there are graphic design services on Fiverr. You have digital marketing services, writing and translation, video animation. If you're good in all this, you can just come up and sign up and make money with your computer right from your home. Okay, go to Fiverr, sign up and sell gigs. Let's look at lifestyle. What services, what gigs are available under lifestyle? Let's check it out. All right, now under lifestyle there are other sub services. All right, sub services that you can render, like some like you have gaming. You can create games, online lessons. If there are subject you are good in, you can come here and create gig around that subject and have people buy your services. This is astrology and psychics. All right, this is life coaching, fitness lessons, personal styles. All right, cooking lessons, craft lessons, a whole lot of them. There is no service that you can't find on Fiverr. All right, and you can create gigs around them and just sell. Let's look at what services are available here. You know, funny services are really available here. You have people who want to okay, like this guy is saying, this guy said, I will say anything as a gangster. All right, did you see? He will say anything as a gangster for you. And this guy has 1-star rating. That means he's been selling this service, all right, starting from $5. Okay, this guy said, I will take photo and videos of my dog with your products, all right, and he said his gig for $20. All right, starting from $20. This guy is saying, I will put on your logo text in 75x luxury business office video. All right, these are gigs, and these folks are making money. Okay, now let's look at this guy. He said, I will do happy birthday video song with a custom message, and this guy is selling for $10, starting from $10, and basically you can sell above that. So the number one way that you can start to make money online using your computer from your home is to go on to Fiverr, sign up onto Fiverr, all right, create your gig, all right, and have people contact you and you give them that and make money. All right, so we go over to our second way, the second way that you can make money online, all right, with your basic computer knowledge, all right, from home. Thank you. All right, and this brings us to our second step. Okay, how you can earn money, make money online with your computer. Okay, now the second way that you can make money online with your computer is to create and sell digital products online. Okay, create and sell digital products online, and one way to do that is to create ebooks. All right, create ebooks on your interests, around your interest. What is your interest? Okay, create ebooks around your interest and sell them online. All right, and I tell you, this is one market that is actually one industry, okay, that is actually thriving right now. It's a billion-dollar industry, the ebook industry. It's not like before anymore, where you have to write. After writing, you go out looking for publishers to publish your book, and several times you get turned back and you're discouraged. No, right now the internet and technology has made it so easy for you to write your ebooks and make money from them. All right, and you can write your ebooks and sell on different platforms, and you don't need to pay money to register on these platforms. Okay, and sell your ebooks. And even if you can't register on these platforms, you can create website and sell your ebooks on your website, or you can run ads. You can learn how to run ads on Facebook, on Instagram, and market your ebooks, and I bet you people are just going to buy from you. Okay, so you can create ebooks and sell them online. You can create video courses around what you know how to do, around your interest. All right, you can create video courses and people are willing and ready to buy from you. All right, if you know how to promote them. One other way is to create online courses, all right, around the subject or around your skill. Okay, you can create online courses around your skill and make money. Okay, you can sell stock photos and videos on different sites. I'm not going to be mentioning sites here, but it's a work for you that you have to do. Find that sites, okay, like Shutterstocks and all the sites. There are several sites where you can sell your photos and your video. Go to your Google and type in sites where I can sell my photos and my videos, and there are many there where you can sell your photos and your videos and just make money from them. All right, you can create info product. These are selling. This is a multi-billion-dollar industry. Info product. You can create info product around your skills. All right, what you know how to do. All right, you can create info product and just market them using the digital platform to market them, and it doesn't cost you anything. It's not expensive doing all this. All right, these are things that you can do from your computer with your internet in your from your home, from your bedroom, and make money online. I tell you, the opportunity is massive. The opportunity is big out there with the technology that is available right now and the internet. The opportunity is massive. All right. So having said this, we go to the uh, third way to make money with your computer right from your home. All right. Okay, this brings us to the third way that you can make money online with your computer. All right, the third way that you can make money online with your computer is through drop shipping. All right, and what is drop shipping? Drop shipping is simply setting up an online store. All right, an online store with software. All right, and begin to promote products online. All right, and there are several software there that you can get. Okay, build your virtual store or your online store and begin to promote products online, running ads on Facebook, on Google, on Instagram, on YouTube to sell those products. And the amazing thing is that it's quite easy. It doesn't cost anything to do all this. All right, and you can do it right from your bedroom. So this is how drop shipping works. All right, this is how drop shipping works. It's an online thing. Okay, you set up your drop shipping store with Shopify software or any other software. All right, and you connect to suppliers. All right, and where you can find suppliers are on AliExpress. All right, or you can within your area, within the state you are staying in or the country you are staying in, you can walk up to shops that got uh, uh, to shops that has things that you're really interested in selling in. All right, and one thing is that major shops or major dealers, major suppliers would always have backload of stocks that they want to sell, which they have not been able to sell over time. All right, they have not been able to sell those products over time, and you can walk up to them and make arrangement to them and agree on what percentage they're going to give you if you create your Shopify store or create your online store and have those product promoted and sold. All right, you agree on your percentage and you create your online store, your Shopify store, and promote those products. All right, and sell them. All right, now the amazing thing about drop shipping is that you don't need to handle the products. You don't need to handle. All you need to do is create your online digital store. Okay, connect the software, connect you to the supplier. All right, and every time that you have the consumer make payments. All right, make payments for what you're selling. All right, the software moves down. The software connects to the supplier, and the supplier supplies direct to the consumer. Okay, and you don't need to handle the product. You don't need to involve yourself in handling the product. All you wait for is to have your own commission. All right, all that happens is that you have your own commission. So the hassle of handling products, customer services, it's not there for you. Okay, the supplier handles everything and you just get your commission, and all this happens online on the internet. All right, that is the beauty of it. All right, that brings us to the end of number 3 way to make money online with your computer. Okay, and this brings us to the fourth way, the number 4 way, how you can earn money with your computer right from your home. All right, the number 4 way is by doing affiliate marketing. Okay, doing affiliate marketing. And what is affiliate marketing? If you're hearing this for the first time, all right, or you've been hearing it for some time and you don't understand what affiliate marketing really is. Okay, now affiliate marketing is simply the process of earning commissions, all right, by promoting other people's product online. All right, now you find the product that you love and you promote it to other people and you make profits. All right, by by making sales. All right, and this is quite simple, and it is one business that you can do without spending your own money. You don't need to invest your own money. You don't need to buy any product. You don't need to invest your own money, and then you don't need to go through handling customer care, handling customers. All right, the hassle of handling customers is literally not there for you. All you have to do is sign up to an affiliate platform, all right, and you promote the product, and when somebody pays, the platform move the product, which majorly come in digital forms to the customer, and you earn your commissions. All right, it is as simple and that as that. So in doing affiliate marketing, several processes are involved, which we call a funnel. All right, you have to learn how to build a funnel to promote your product online. All right, affiliate marketing is an online business. Okay, and there are several affiliate marketing platforms around the world. I don't know where you're watching this video from right now, but wherever you are, there are affiliate marketing places around the world. The popular ones are like ClickBank, JVZoo, Mass Bounty, Digi24, a whole lot of them. Okay, and if you're in Nigeria, we have Expertnaire. All right, and I do all of this, and I make money doing them online. It's as simple as that. All right, I earn affiliate commissions. As such, I can promote affiliate marketing as a form of online business that anybody can do with his computer. All right, now if you want to learn how to do affiliate marketing and do it successfully and have results, below this video I'm going to be leaving a link, okay, of a training that would hold you by the hand and teach you how to do affiliate marketing successfully, teach you how to set up the funnels, teach you how to set up the website. All right, how to build your landing pages. Okay, because these are things that are involved in doing affiliate marketing. Teach you how to create your email. Okay, give you email template upon which you can build your own email. Teach you how to create your autoresponder and your automations. All right, and how to create your own blog. Okay, now if you want to do affiliate marketing, click on that link below, the 72 IG implementation system, and I bet you that program will be a game changer for you, like it is for me. All right, now if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, leave a comment, all right, and hit the notification button so that you know every time that I upload a video on YouTube. All right, and thank you for being there till the end of this video. God bless you. All right, we look forward to seeing you again.